Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, June 2nd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So we are replacing one overnight yearly high with another one. So the ES and SPY have both taken out previous overnight all-time highs. So that other one, I'll be taking off my sheet. The regular trade now high, obviously, I keep till we take it out. But right now, that other overnight high to me is kind of rendered useless since we have a new one as a high. Now, true, last month's high is in the overnight. So actually, I might keep it because that overnight high did occur in May. So I might keep that one until we take it out officially at some point. Will we be taking it out today? Well, we have non-farm payroll in about 75 minutes. I'm sorry, in about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. So that remains to be seen. We had a trend day up yesterday. We held it. We had a double distribution day. NQ had a triple distribution day that they held. They also have a new high for the year in their overnight. And the righty had a double distribution day. They are not near their high for the year by any stretch of the imagination, as righty continues to struggle. What righty wants to do is finally fill the gap from Tuesday. They haven't even done that yet. So we'll see if they're able to do that. They're still in balance on the daily. They have to take out Tuesday's high. Now, as far as ES and SPY go, I said because we just stretched the monthly high and a daily high, I was going to make the bulls prove themselves and get going again. We'll see if they can this morning. This is just pre-market. If we don't take out yesterday's high once 9:30 comes, again, it would just be stretching the previous monthly high and stretching our 4-day balance high. That's very important. As far as the game plan for this morning, again, a lot could change here at 8:30. Gaps have not held. We know that all year. This is just strictly, it's just a continuation of just emotional trading by short-term traders. Back and forth we go. Right? They give it up the next day. They don't care. They don't stick around for. There's no continuity like long-term money will provide in a stock. Okay. There has been some tremendous absorbing going on though at some of these price points: 41.80, 82, 41.40, 41.20. I would not doubt if that was long-term money being accumulated by some funds. Never know for sure. But it looks like that could possibly have been going on. And they're not going to chase. They're very happy where they bought it. And at some point they walk away and they want to buy it lower. But they certainly won't chase unless the whole herd decides to chase, like NVIDIA when their earnings came out. So again, game plan, depending on the gap. I would probably look to front run the overnight high again because that's been a successful trade depending on where it is. And then see if we hold the gap. That would be a destination to possibly fill the gap. As far as a long, if we do fill the gap, well, again, we're trying to open with higher value. So that will be important for the bulls to try to hold, right? If we get acceptance back into yesterday's range, value goes from higher to overlapping a higher. And then again, it could go unchanged. And then we'll see if they're able to stay in the upper distribution. All early plays, you'll be getting this live minute by minute from 9:15 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time as a live webinar. We'll be recapping all of these stocks, indices, charts tonight. So, again, I want to take out yesterday's high in regular trade now. If we do that, I think then I would, well, definitely on the daily I would go up. Depending on how much we took out yesterday's high, if we do, I'd probably go up in the monthly also. Weekly is firmly up, as you can see now. Again, August high is our next big target from last year. Triple Q and NQ is April from last year's high. That's their target. And then here's the daily. Again, if we take out yesterday's high, I think I would have to firmly go up on that. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.